The US Army are trying to boost the public image of their soldiers by sharing pictures of them holding Afghan babies to protect them from the Taliban. But my question is, who's gonna save those babies from those soldiers? What I mean is that it is quite possible that the fathers of those very babies are one of the following. A disabled man who was killed and then the army used his prosthetic leg to drink beer from. Or was it someone from the scores of Afghans that were brutally murdered and then the army urinated on their bodies? Or was it someone that was killed for sport and then the army hacked off their fingers and kept them as trophies? Does the army have those photos? Would you care to share them? No? Well, I guess this exposes your and the mainstream media's psyops then, isn't it? Trusting such people with the babies of the deceased is like trusting a paedophile to look after your kids. Not a very good idea.